The Meghalaya government has instructed all Corona care centres put up in the educational institutes to be vacated by September 15 as a part of the State Education Department's preparations to engage teachers with students of classes from 9 to 12 from September 21. The State Education Department has also finalised the revised syllabus for class 10 and 12. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government announced that the University Grants Commission examination will be conducted from October 7th to 16th. The Meghalaya government has instructed that all Corona care centres put up in educational institutes should be vacated by September 15. This is in line with the State Education Department's preparation to engage teachers with students of class 9 to 12, where students and teachers can start visiting their respective schools from September 21. The Unlock 4 guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs allows students of class 9 to 12 to visit schools on a voluntary basis from September 21 for academic help by taking all precautions. We have instructed that all educational institutes used as Corona care centres or quarantine centres should be vacated by September 15. Meghalaya Education Minister Lekman Rimboy said on Wednesday. He informed that students of class 9 to 12 may visit their schools and meet their teachers from September 21 for guidance from their teachers. When asked about the deductions of syllabus from the current academic session in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Education Minister Lekman Rimboy said, "We have already prepared the academic plan and revised the syllabus for both class 10 and class 12. The revised syllabus will highlight the topic and lessons which needs to be imparted to the students during the remaining period of the current academic session." According to him, the revised syllabus will be made available to all the schools by September 21. The minister also made it clear that the students who are visiting their respective schools will require the consent of their parents. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government announced that the University Grants Commission examination will be conducted from October 7 to 16th. Education Minister Lekman Rimboy informed that the decision was taken at a review meeting on Wednesday. According to the minister, the decision was taken after due consultations with the authorities of NEHU. The date for the holding of the final semester examinations is on October 7, 9, 12, 14 and 16, adding that the examinations will be declared before October 31. Rimboy also said that the examinations for the UG course will be held both online and offline, while the examination will be held via online mode. It may be mentioned that there is a steep opposition to the decision of the NEHU authorities to hold the examination within September. Bureau Report.